this lipstick stain, this was before I did the trick. I am going to turn it to this. Nothing at all. So welcome to today's magic trick. If your lipstick always transfers, this video is for you because today I'm going to teach you how to make it not transfer. So I have a cup here and I'm going to be showing you how it transfers, okay? See? I'm sure a lot of you find this issue every single time you drink something or you eat something. This will always happen. Let's go on to the tip that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. First step, of course, is to put your lip product as per normal. Be it lipstick, lip tint, whatever, this works as well. So just put that on. Okay, a normal coat, don't need to be too thick, whatever it is, just put it on nicely the way you want it. If you guys haven't watched my 3 different ways to put lip products, you can find them right here. I have shared 3 different Asian suitable ways to put your lip products. Just some private to show my mama I really got it. Be screaming llama llama. After you've put your lip product on, the next step you need to do is to take a piece of tissue. Don't fold it, just one layer will do. Smack your lips on this tissue paper twice on different locations. So now what you need is this, which is a setting spray. So I'm using the setting spray from Makeup Forever. It's called Mist and Fix. But any form of water will do. Of course, clean water. Take the same piece of tissue and put it on your lips. Then use this to spray. So after that, use the setting powder that you have. Any kind of setting powder will do. And just dab it on top of that wet tissue paper on your lips. Take this same piece of tissue and magic! Look at how little transfer there is. Taking my cup again. So this was the original one. And now, there's nothing. Then you are done, guys! Today I am sure you will find this tip very, very useful. So this will be very, very helpful when you are doing a very, very red lip. Especially when you're going for like occasions like weddings and like special date nights. When you are using very, very sexy red bold lip. You can do this because you're not going to transfer your lip everywhere. That's my magic trick for today, guys. I hope you guys learned something again. So if you guys want to learn more tips, please subscribe to me. And yes, this video falls under my Asian Beauty Tips playlist. You can go and find that playlist right here. Again, thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys next time.